Hi, friends, it's Julie. I have promised several people I would share how I do screen recordings. So I'm going to do that really quickly in this video, and then I'll make some other tutorials for how I use it for individual applications with my students. The program, or rather it's a browser extension that I use, is called Loom. Here it is, Loom. And you can get it from going to loom.com. That's all you have to do. It's completely free. They're currently doing the COVID-19 educators get the advanced version for free, but I've never used the advanced version. I'm fine with the free version as it is. All you need is an email address to sign up for it, and then they will direct you to the Chrome store to download the browser extension. Once you have the extension, it will show up in your top right hand corner of your browser here. It says Loom for Chrome right here, and you can access it then from the browser window or from the Loom website, either one. There is an iOS app as well that I use when I'm using my iPad. This video I'm doing on my Chromebook. Once you have Loom set up, you can go to any website. So I go to my Kindle reader so I can read a book out loud to my students. It's one way I use it. And then I would go to the Loom add-on up here or extension and click it, and it will open a little recording menu. You have several options when you record, which is really cool. Especially to connect with students when we don't get to see them every day. One way you can record is doing the screen and cam right here. As you can see, there's a little video bubble down here with my live video feed from my webcam. And it is also recording everything. Well, it's not, because I haven't hit start recording. I'm using a different program to record this because recording Loom recording itself was too much inception for Loom to handle. But once I hit start record, it would record what was on my screen, my mouse movements, any change in my screen, and my video feed all simultaneously. I can do the entire desktop, which allows everyone to see on the video everything that's happening with my tabs and everything else on my desktop. I can switch it to screen only over here, which means that only the screen is showing, and I have an option to just have a static picture down in the corner. You can move the picture or video anywhere you want to. This bubble, you can put it up in the corner or over on this side, anywhere you want it to be. If you want to use it, you can also change the size of it. You can change it back to a giant video screen if you would like it to be that big. You can. Or you can just hit X in the corner and make it go away completely. So you can do screen only. You can also do the full desktop, which will show everything, or you can do just the tab. So if you do just the current tab, it won't show any other windows that pop open or anything like that. So full desktop shows all of the tabs. When current tab only would just record what's on that tab. You can use advanced options. I'm just using the internal microphone on my Chromebook right now. If you had a separate microphone you wanted to plug in, it would show up in this menu. If you want to include the tab audio, maybe you want to talk for a few minutes and then allow something on the screen to play and record that audio from that what's on the screen itself, you can do that. If you'd rather the screen audios be muted and only hear your voice and see what's on the screen, you can remove the tab audio like that. If you want it to always offer your photo when you pick screen only, you can turn that on. You can turn it off if you don't want to do that. And it'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown if you want it. You don't have to. You can turn that off if you don't want it, etc. Once you're ready to record, you just hit start recording. And once you do that, everything on your screen will record. All right, that is how I use Loom. I'll make another video later to show how I actually record different applications. Have fun. Hope you enjoy using Loom. And if you need any help, let me know. Bye.